Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you the problems are real. After a busy week of projects, this is what I got to put away. For some reason, I have no problem bringing it all out and making my projects, but then at the end, this is the part that's not quite so fun. Usually I stack it on my stools over there, and when I'm done, I have to go put everything away. And I guess today's that day. All right. I have my coat on because my house is freezing cold because my stairs are getting done and it stinks in here like polyurethane. So everything's wide open. And I live in Maine and it's freezing. So anyhow, all right. Have fun cleaning after your projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.